So yeah, in this video we are going to see how we use DeepSeek-R1 on our local machine, and it's open source, so we can use it for making business too, and it's cheap too on their website. So yeah, let's see how we can implement on our local machine. Let's go with the first step. First we will go to ollama.com. Okay, let me just start from step 1. We will search for Ollama on our browser, and we will go to ollama.com, and we will click on directly download and select your platform, your operating system, whatever it is, Mac OS, Linux or Windows, and I will download it for Windows. It will ask for you the location of the setup file. I usually download all of my setup files in a local disk F and click on save. After that you can head over to your download section or your file explorer. I have got your Ollama setup. Just double click on it and install it. I have already installed it, that's why there is an error. So yeah, I have already installed it. Now you have to open the terminal or PowerShell and then search for Ollama to check whether it is installed. Okay, everything is installed, right? Then we will head over once again to Ollama website, and we will go to model section. Here you can get every open source model like Llama, Lava, PHI 3, Mistral. Yeah, we will go to DeepSeek-R1, and we have to select the parameters out here, like how much parameter your model that will be run on your local machine should have. Like maximum are 671 billion, which is around 404 GB. So for now you just need to download like this one for 1.15 billion, or you can go with like 8 billion or 7 billion. So let's go with 7 billion and just click and go to your terminal and paste, and it will be pulling the manifest, and it will download the 4.7 GB of it. Okay, I don't want to download it, I have already downloaded it. So I will go to my open tool. After it's downloaded, you will just get this terminal, or you can just, now I can like write anything I want. Hey, it will think, and hey, how can I help you today? So now I will write let me close some background processes first, it's a bit heavy. Okay, let's say create new to-do list app. So yeah, you can see how fast it is on your local machine. My local machine has RTX 2060 Super and Ryzen 5 5th generation. So it has given me all the code. We can make